Hi everyone and welcome. In the very first video we have covered that how you can set up or enable MQTT broker in the Cogent DataHub. In the second video we have covered that how you can set up OPCDA client in the Cogent DataHub to read the data from any OPCDA server. And if I open the Cogent DataHub, then you can see we have successfully connected with metric and OPC simulation server, and we are reading the data from that OPC simulation server. Okay, you can see at every 2 seconds we are reading the data. Now we want to publish this data to MQTT broker. Okay, and we have also learned that how we can enable the MQTT broker inside the Cogent DataHub. Okay, so how we can publish that. So once you read the data from any OPCDA server in the Cogent DataHub, okay, then everything is done. You don't have to do anything after that. Okay, so once you have the data of OPCDA server here, then you can directly open the MQTT client software, which can be any MQTT client software. Okay, I'm going to open the MQTT Explorer. Now we can connect with Cogent DataHub MQTT broker. You can see my broker is up and running in the Cogent DataHub, so I can connect with it. Now I can click on connect, and here you can see the default topic. Inside the default topic you can see simulation items. Okay, and inside this simulation item you can see bucket breach, random, read error, sawtooth, square, triangle, right error, or right only. Okay, every folder is available here. So if I go to OPCDA, if I click on view data, okay, and if I open these two things parallelly, okay, you can see the folder structure, simulation items. Here we have the topic of simulation items. Inside that topic we have subtopics like bucket breach, random, read error, everything. Okay, and if I click on the random, and if I here click on the random, then you can see all the tag available here, from array of real 8 to unsigned integer 4. Everything is available here. You can see the value. Okay, you can see 64 of integer 1, in right now it's 89. Okay, you can see the quality, and you can see the timestamp, and here you can see the sender ID. So sender ID is none as of now, but for important things we have value, quality, and the timestamp. Okay, so this is how you can use Cogent DataHub to convert your OPC DA data to MQTT data. So basically it's a unidirectional OPC DA to MQTT publisher or converter. You can read the data from OPC DA and you can publish the data to MQTT broker. It can be any MQTT broker. Right now we are using the internal MQTT broker of this Cogent DataHub. Okay, yeah, right now we are using the internal MQTT broker of this Cogent DataHub, but you can use any MQTT broker. It's up to your choice which MQTT broker you want to use. Okay, but this is how this thing is possible. So every 2 seconds it will read the data from OPCDA server and it will publish that data to MQTT broker. Now if you want to change the main topic default, then how you can change it? So I can close it. I can go to Cogent DataHub, I can go to OPCDA, and here you can see the domain is default. So you can change the domain name. So I can click here, I can click on edit, and instead of default domain name, I can set it like metric and OPC data. Okay, and I can press OK. I can click on apply, and I can disconnect here. I can connect again. Okay, maybe we have to press OK here. So once I press OK, it will affect the changes. Okay, I can reopen the Cogent DataHub. I can go to OPCDA, and here is my domain name, metric and OPC data. I can disconnect and I can connect. You can see metric and OPC and data is available. Okay, inside that we have everything. You can see this topic is not updating anymore. Okay, you can see 102 topics and 102 messages. This topic is not updating anymore. Only this topic is updating, 101 topic and 402 436 messages. Okay, so once you change the domain name, your main topic will change. Okay, and internal things will remain same because it's using the OPCDA structure to publish the data. So once you click on this view data, okay, whatever things you see here, that thing will be available here. like default. Okay, so instead of default, default is also available, and metric and OPC data is also available. You can see here OPC data. Okay, I can expand, and inside that we have simulation items. Okay, and inside the simulation items we have every folder, and inside the folder we have the data. Okay, so this is how you can change the main topic. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use this Cogent DataHub to convert your OPCDA data to MQTT data. So basically it's a unidirectional OPCDA to MQTT converter using the Cogent DataHub. Okay, we will see in the future that how you can use this Cogent DataHub for bidirectional communication. I mean, you can publish the data from OPCDA to MQTT broker as well, and also one of your MQTT client can write the data to OPCDA server. Okay, so that thing is also possible with the Cogent DataHub, but that thing we are going to cover in the future videos. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how to use this Cogent DataHub for OPCDA to MQTT converter. Okay, and unidirectional OPCDA to MQTT converter. So let's meet in the next video, and in the next video maybe we will use Cogent DataHub as a OPC UA client or Modbus client. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.